All right, good evening, folks. Thank you for joining my break. We're doing Prime Signatures 2012. Here's the name of the winners. If your name is listed here, you're on the right break. I do have another box ending in, I believe, 2 days on Monday. So if you win here and you bid in the other one, I can't ship anything out till Monday anyway because the postal service is closed. So I'll just combine those 2 cards or 3 cards, whatever you may win, and send it in one package. Thank you all for paying on time. Thank you all for bidding. There was 3 teams that were not sold: Chargers, Chiefs, and Cardinals. Here's the time. It's 9:29. It says it'll start at 9:30, but here it is. Okay. With that, good luck to everybody. Let's see how to open. This is the first time I'm actually breaking this product, so just bear with me. Alright, let's see this. Well, that didn't work, so I guess we have to open it this way. I don't like opening the cards this way, but alright. Let me see here, let's get the hit out of the way here. Alright, first card is a Buffalo Bill, David Nelson, and that's numbered 008. Hard to see, out of 499. David Nelson, Buffalo Bills, and Buffalo Bill goes to 1 of 1 cards. The next card is San Francisco 49ers, Jerry Rice. Jerry Rice, and that's numbered, see if you can see it there, 70, let me see, 71 of 499. 71 of 499. And 49ers goes to Roy Highcal. Next card is Matt Castle, Kansas City Chiefs. And that's 45 out of 49. The Chiefs were not sold. If anybody has any interest in this card, let me know. Give me an offer, I guess, and I'll send it to you. Okay, and the last card, which is the autograph card, is Nick Foles, Philadelphia Eagles, and that's numbered 5 of 199. Okay, and that goes to Peachy. All right, thank you very much. I'm going to upload this now. Congratulations. Once again, if somebody wants that Kansas City Chiefs card, I have no use for it. Let me know and I'll send it to you. All right, thank you very much. And remember, I have another break on Monday night. And then after that, I'll be doing some Bowman Sterling again, 2012. Thanks.